In this video, I want to talk about how you can buy now and pay later on AliExpress. Now keep in mind, this is dependent on your region. Sometimes you cannot do this depending on where you live in the world. Now what you want to do is you want to head over to a checkout, and if you see an option with Klarna, that's Klarna, that one is a payment method which will be over time, so you don't have to pay immediately. If you have that option available, you can choose that one. Now the second option will be PayPal, pay in 4. So what this means is you're gonna pay in 4 rates. So this is an option with PayPal, and this is available for some people. So just select PayPal, and when it opens up the payment, you will be able to choose pay in 4 sometimes depending on your region. So just keep that in mind. So it's not available for everyone, so you should just remember that. But if you see one of those options in here, you can definitely do it. I hope this short video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.